We are witnessing the slow, inevitable death of the monthly subscription, and most people haven't realized that the apps they rely on are about to become obsolete. Let's be honest about the current state of digital work. You are drowning in dashboards. Think about your current tech stack for a moment.
You have a project management tool, a CRM, a communication platform, a content scheduler, and perhaps 3 or 4 specialized AI writing assistants. Each of these is a walled garden. Each comes with a monthly fee, a unique password, and a rigid interface that forces you to work the way the developer decided you should work. This is the era of SaaS, software as a service, and it is structurally comparable to public transportation. It has fixed routes, fixed stops, and if you want to go somewhere off the map, you are out of luck. But there is a massive shift happening right now, a movement that pits the monolith of SaaS against the swarm of micro-automations. This isn't just an upgrade. It is a fundamental replacement of how we interact with computers. We are moving from buying generic tools to building bespoke solutions. Consider the comparison. Traditional SaaS is heavy. It tries to be everything to everyone. A platform like Salesforce or HubSpot is designed to serve millions of users, which means 90% of the features you pay for are features you will never touch. It is bloated, expensive, and slow. On the other side of the ring, we have micro-automations. These are lightweight, invisible workflows powered by large language models and API connectors. In the near future, you will not sign up for a CRM. Instead, you will simply instruct an AI agent. Whenever I receive an email from a potential client, scrape their LinkedIn profile, estimate their budget based on company size, and add them to a spreadsheet. Then draft a personalized reply for me to approve. In that one sentence, you have just replaced a $1,000 a month software suite with a few lines of logic and a fraction of a cent in computing power. This is the concept of disposable software. In the SaaS era, software is a monument you rent. In the automation era, software is a utility you summon. If you need a tool to analyze a specific dataset, your AI builds a micro app to do it, runs the process, delivers the result, and then the app dissolves. You focus on the output, not the interface. This shift is incredibly inspirational because it returns agency to the creator. For the last 2 decades, if you had a brilliant idea for a workflow, you needed to hire a developer or learn to code. You were limited by your technical constraints. Micro-automations remove that barrier. The comparison here is stark. SaaS turns you into a user. Automation turns you into an architect. Imagine a world where your computer is not a collection of apps fighting for your attention, but a single, cohesive operating system that molds itself to your needs in real time. The friction of copying data from one tab to another disappears. The anxiety of managing 20 subscriptions vanishes. You are no longer renting capabilities. You are owning outcomes. The battle between the static app and the fluid automation is already won. The market just hasn't caught up yet. We are moving away from the rigid, one-size-fits-all model of the past and stepping into a fluid, personalized future where the software adapts to you, not the other way around. The question is no longer, what app should I buy? But rather, what problem do I need solved? And having the courage to build the automation that solves it. If you want to stop renting your productivity and start building your own future, subscribe to the channel to learn how to architect these systems.